Karnataka government has urged farmers not to rely on irrigation water for sowing this season due to the worsening water crisis across the state. While addressing the media, Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar said Karnataka is witnessing signs of a severe drought with water levels in almost all major reservoirs dropping sharply. He said reservoir inflows have declined by nearly 20% compared to last year, making it difficult for the government to release water for agriculture. Sharing the latest figures, he said the Hemavati reservoir water level has fallen from 80 feet last year to 40 feet, the Krishnaraja Sagara reservoir from 100 feet to 22 feet, and the Kabini reservoir from 79 feet to 26 feet. He also said water levels in the Tungabhadra, Malaprabha, and Narayanapura reservoirs as well as the Kaveri basin are under severe stress. Chief Minister appealed to farmers not to pressure the government to release water from reservoirs and assured them that water would be released if sufficient rainfall is received. Until then, he advised farmers to monitor weather forecasts and take up cultivation in phases. He also said responsibilities have been assigned to ministers to manage the drought situation while the government is ensuring adequate drinking water and fodder for people and livestock. Borewell drilling has begun on a war footing in water-scarce areas across several districts. D.K. Shivakumar further announced that he will soon visit all 4 regions of Karnataka to personally assess the ground situation and review drought preparedness in every district. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.